Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaylyn, and in today's video I'll be showing you another wig from Wequeen, and they sent me a headband wig. So in the box I received a set of 6 headbands. You get to choose from 3 sets, and this is set 1. So in set 1, as you'll see, there are different patterns and colors in each headband.
Feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reason.
You'll also receive a pack of 2 wig caps and this satin bag that your wig comes in to protect the hair. So the hair that I received is the 18-inch curly dark brown headband wig, and this hair is so pretty, y'all. The curls are absolutely gorgeous and the color is very subtle but noticeable. So if you have natural black hair, this is the perfect hair that you can use to switch up your look with without having such a drastic change. The wig itself comes with a Velcro attachment on the headband, 4 combs on the inside, as well as adjustable straps. Prior to filming this video, I did co-wash this hair with some Aussie conditioner. You don't have to co-wash hair if you don't want to before wearing it. I just decided to in this case because the hair was pretty flat and I just wanted to make the styling process a little bit more easier for me. But good news is the hair color on this wig had little to no bleeding in my sink, so that's really good. And for the styling portion, I'm just going to show you how I really get these curls looking very voluptuous and juicy. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching.
Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
To make these curls on this wig really pop, first I went in with some water. I prefer to use lukewarm water to help the hair really absorb the products that I'll be using. So what I use is the Smooth and Shine Hydrating Setting Mousse, and this really helped to provide a light hold to the curls so that the curls really stayed in place. And I mainly focused it on the shaft of the hair and the ends so that there was minimal frizz. I don't really mind frizz, but just to make sure the curls look very juicy and hydrated, I wanted to make sure I used a good amount of this to tame the hair.
Across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
If you like what you see so far, then check out my description box once you watch this video for the direct link to this wig. On the site they have many other textures, lengths, and colors of wigs that you might be interested in, and if you choose to buy one, then you can receive 17% off on your order by using code Morgan17 at checkout. This code doesn't do anything for me, it's just a way for you to save money on an already affordable wig.
Struck by lightning, you and me collide. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
If you're ever having trouble getting the ends of curly hair to clump together, use your brush in a rounded motion and it'll instantly make the curls pop. This technique works for real hair, wigs, whatever curly hair you need it to work on. Once I finished getting the curls to look exactly how I wanted them to, I scrunched the hair and used the blow dryer on the cool setting at the same time to really speed up the drying process and at the same time loosening up any stiffness on the hair.
No reasons for leaving me behind. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you and me collide.
This is how the hair looks. I'd say about 70% dry, very fluffy, voluminous, and with our scrunching method, we really clumped up these curls to make them look very defined. For more volume, you can go ahead with your fingertips and just zhuzh up the roots for a more voluminous look.
Struck by
Alright y'all, so here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you want to see more of me from me and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and do not forget y'all, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my new uploads. And if you're interested in purchasing this wig or any wig on Wequeen, then use code Morgan17 for 17% off. I really do appreciate you guys. I'm at 1,190 subscribers, I think. So I wanted to say thank you guys so much for the support and love. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.